I want to make a dedicated video for you guys for plopping because I feel like it is a very crucial step, but I had to do a lot of research in order to figure it out. So let me share what I've learned with you guys. First of all, I hate that it's called plopping. Who came up with that name? I hate it. I think it should be changed, but let me tell you the benefits of what it does. First of all, it cuts down on drying time if you have the right one. Let me tell you, when they say the right tool makes the job easy, you have to have the right tool, the right towel. You just did all of that work to style your hair with the products in it. Now you don't want it to be destroyed. Now your hair naturally, if you're standing up like this, the curls are gonna want to fall and stretch. And so by flipping your hair upside down, twisting it up into the plopping towel, you're creating weightless curls. By cutting down on drying time, you are using less heat, so you are causing less frizz. So if your hair is coiled up on top of your head, the hair is being lifted off the roots, which creates more volume. I will have the product that I'm using, and I will show you exactly how to use it, listed in the description below, along with a discount code. So go ahead and check that out in the description below. Let's show you how to do it. You're going to want to start with your hair very wet. When you're styling, you want to style with a lot of water. And if you need help with styling your hair, I have made a recent video on how I do my styling, so I'll put that video in the description for you guys. What I didn't include in that video was the process of plopping, because I felt like it deserved its very own video, because it took me a long time to learn how. My hair is styled. My hair is very wet. It has all the products that I'm going to be using in it. And before I can diffuse, if I went in and just diffused right now, it would create a lot of frizz because there's a lot of moisture in there, but that's good for your curls. You want that water. So I'm going to use this towel. I have gone through a couple and I looked and looked and looked. So everyone uses a t-shirt material, or literally a t-shirt, to dry their hair or to plop with. And it is hard to find. I searched on Amazon, and I found one. I reached out to the brand. I looked at everyone that used it. I asked curly girl friends that use it, and this was highly recommended. So you're going to take your plopping towel. I place the tie up on top. I'm going to flip my hair over so that all my hair is upside down. And then about halfway, I'm going to coil my hair down and just lay it down softly so that I'm not mashing any curls. Grab the tie and stick it on the very nape of your neck. I'm going to take my hands on the corners like this and bring it to the top of my hairline right here, and just give it like a little twisty right here, trying not to twist my hair up in it, like that. And then I just let go. I scrunch up the material and grab the two ends like this, and then I hold those two edges against my forehead like this. And right now all of my hair is piled up on top. It's not being twisted in the front or pulled by anything. I grab the two corners in the back with one hand. I put the two ends through the elastic right here, and then I cinch it down. Once this is on nice and securely, this is the point that I would probably like do my makeup while I let the towel absorb all of the excess water while my curls are still in their curl form and they're sitting up on top of my head, lifted up off of the root, so it helps create volume as it's drying and no frizz. And I did show you over my bed because it was a little nicer than just draping my head over the toilet. I'm not gonna lie, my toilet is clean. If it's not clean, stop doing your hair, clean your toilet, and then lay this out on the toilet. I feel like that's the easiest place to do it because you're in the bathroom anyway. Anyway, that's what I do. After plopping and diffusing, you are left with this. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have questions, comments, whatever, let's talk in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so that you can follow along my curly hair journey, because it's a journey. I will have my hair playlist listed in the description below if you need to catch up on any curly hair videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I see a bum in the mirror. It's cute.
Okay.
Your butt looks cute in the mirror.
No. Wait, hold on. My hair is all the way right. I'm going to, okay. Can you see it my nose?
Yes, I can. So let me get to the side a little
that's
bit.
great. And I just kind of scrunch up the, you weren't recording?
You gotta say that part again. I'm sorry.
Oh, just this?
Yes.
Okay. This is at the,
So go. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. How about you shut that thing off? Looks great. Your bum looks cute.
oh, you can see it?
I see what you did there. Towel tool.
If you are, okay, come hang out in the, okay, sorry. I don't know what I'm saying.
Well, Toots, you figure it out. You smart girl. You kill it, girl.
I'm a curly smart girl.